Hello, good morning students. Welcome to the physical education class. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, a new unit. This is your unit 6, which is test and measurement in sports, and this is very important, right? Okay, in this unit we are going to study about the motor fitness test, and this is newly updated in your syllabus in the last year. Okay, in this 50-meter standing start, 600-meter run and walk, we will discuss this in the next slide. Okay, measurement of cardiovascular fitness. Okay, and Rickley and Jones senior citizen test. These are the three major points in this unit. Okay, now meaning of motor fitness. What is motor fitness? Motor fitness is a person's ability to perform physical activities, right? Motor fitness refers to the potential of an athlete to perform effectively at his and her sports. Okay, we can say motor development or motor fitness is that which helps to a person to perform their physical activities and exercises. Today, the first test is motor fitness test. Okay, in the motor fitness test, the test number 1 is 50-meter standing start, number 2 is 600-meter run and walk, number 3 is sit and reach, number 4 is partial curl up, number 5th is push-ups for boys and modified push-ups for girls. And test number 6 is standing broad jump, and 7 is agility 4 into 10-meter shuttle run. Okay, so your first test is 50-meter standing start. The purpose of this test is the aim of this test is to determine acceleration and speed. It means through this test we measure the speed of an individual. What equipments we needed for this test? That is measuring tape or marker or mark track, stopwatch, cone marker, flat and clear surface of at least 70 meters. We are going to do the race of 50-meter, but we need extra surface for that. Okay, procedure. The subject takes the starting position behind the starting line. The starter commands are you ready and go, or we can command ready get set go. The word go is for the starting of the race, right? And the individual started the race with the fully face and the touch the finishing line. That time of the starting of the race we start the stopwatch, and when the person reaches to the end of the line of finishing line, that time we stop the stopwatch. Okay, how we can score? The score is recorded in seconds to the nearest of tenth of a second. It means we record that timing in which he or she completed 50-meter standing start, and the time will taken in the tenth of a second. Okay, now the test number 2 is 600-meter run and walk, run or walk, right? Purpose. The aim of this test is to determine endurance of an individual. It means we are measuring the endurance power of a person through this test, right? Okay, equipments. Measuring tape we required, mark track, or we can also start this in the road or any surface, clean surface, right? And we can place the cone marker in the end of the line. Stopwatch we need, cone marker, flat and clear surface for 600 meter. Now procedure same. In the command of go, the individual will start running. As well as he finishes the 600-meter distance, we will stop the stopwatch. Okay, the scoring will be however the object is to cover the distance in the shortest time. When cross the finishing line, he is informed of his time. The time taken to run that distance is recorded in minutes and seconds, right? In the minute and second we count the scoring. It means in the starting line we start the stopwatch, and in the end line we stop the stopwatch, and that timing will be counted at the score, and it is recorded in minute and seconds, right? In this race or in this training, you can run, you can jog. If you are tired, you can walk also. You have options in this. Okay, the next test is test number 3, which is sit and reach test. Purpose: the sit and reach test is a common measure for flexibility, and especially measuring the flexibility of the lower back and the hamstring muscles. Hamstring muscles are in your back of your thighs, right? Okay, what equipments we require for this? Sit and reach box. This is called sit and reach box. Okay, or alternatively a ruler can be used, and a step or box. Okay, you can also use steps, stairs for this. In this picture you can see this is the sit and reach box, and we place our feet here, then we try to touch this point. Okay, this is the ruler. The procedure for sit and reach test: this test involves sitting on the floor with legs stretched out straight ahead. Shoes should be removed. The sole of the feet are placed flat against the box when with the palm facing downwards. The subject reaches forward along with the measuring line as far as possible, and the subject reached out and hold that position for at least for 1 or 2 seconds. The scoring: the score is recorded to the nearest centimeter or half inch as the distance reached by the hand. Some test variations use the level of the feet as the zero mark. If you don't have sit and reach box, this kind of box, that time you can also use this uh, type of marking. Okay, in the feet you will place 0, and in the forward side you will start marking in inches or in centimeter. Same for the back. The next test is test number 4, partial curl up. Okay, this is the modified version we can say of sit-ups. Okay, the purpose of this test is to measure abdominal strength and endurance, which is important in back support and core stability. Equipments: we don't require much equipment in this, just a flat clean surface, or and you can use a yoga mat, recording sheet and pen. The procedure for partial curl up is the straight sorry in the starting, the position is laying on the back with the knees flexed and feet 12 inches from the buttocks, and it should be also wide 6 inches at least. The arms are extended and are rested on the thigh. The subject curl up with a slow controlled movement. It means curl up means the subject or the person will lift his upper body, okay, towards the knees until the shoulders come off at the proper level, or we can say the subject lifted his body from the mat for 2 inches. That is the correct position for the curl up. One complete curl up is that in which he completes it within the 3 seconds, 1.5 second up and 1.5 second down, and these should be in the continuous manner, right? There is no pause in the up and down position. The curl up should be continuous with the abdominal muscles engaged throughout. Okay, now the scoring record, it is recorded the total number of curl ups. It means the person can do as much as curl up, that will be his or her score, right? Only that color will be counted which is performed correctly. So this was our topic for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss more tests of this series. Thank you so much.